Beneath the surface of the ocean lies a reality stranger than fiction. This is not just water and darkness, it is an ancient archive where life has evolved along paths we've never imagined. Newly revealed footage has captured forms so alien they challenge our perception of what Earth truly is. These creatures exist in a realm untouched by light and time, thriving in conditions that defy logic. The deeper we look, the clearer it becomes that this planet is not ours alone. It belongs equally to the unseen, the unknown, and the uncharted.